like to put a Valentine's Day theme on a classic science toy called the Cartesian Diver. So let's begin. You're going to need to collect a few materials to do this activity. The first thing being a plastic bottle out of recycling, complete with cap, a separate container of water, and you're going to want to fill your plastic bottle up to the very top with water as well. You're going to need a hex nut, a little bit of scotch tape, some food coloring, and of course our pipette. Now it's not going to be just any pipette. We're going to use these heart-shaped baking pipettes. Now, one thing you do need to note with these types of pipettes is the barrel of the pipette is very, very thin. So it might be a little bit difficult to find a hex nut that fits snugly on the end. So to fix that, we're going to use a little of our scotch tape. Take a piece of scotch tape and carefully wrap that scotch tape around the barrel of your pipette. Wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. You want it to get it to fit right up against that barrel. Perfect. And then you should be able to twist your hex nut on the end and have it not fall off. Ta-da! Once you've done that, then you need to fill out the bulb of your pipette with enough water so that it floats at the surface of the water in your separate container of water, just like so. If it has too much water, it's going to sink to the bottom and you need to release some of that water. If it floats too high, then you need a little bit more water in that bulb. So you got to just play with it a little bit to adjust it. Once it's floating at the top, then you can take it out of that container and very carefully place it into your bottle. Now, if you have a narrow mouth on your bottle, you just want to gently get that diver to the top of the bottle. If you have a wider mouth bottle for this one, because of the shape of the pipette bulb, it might work a little bit better. And then you can add your food coloring for fun. I'm going to use a little red for Valentine's Day. Just a couple drops will do. Place the cap tightly on the bottle, and then your toy is ready to use. And the way it works is when you squeeze the bottle, you increase the pressure inside the bottle, forcing or displacing water from the bottle up into the pipette bulb. That causes the mass of the diver to increase, causing the density to increase, causing the diver to sink to the bottom. As you release the sides of the bottle, the water gets displaced back into the bottle, decreasing the mass of that diver, decreasing the density of it, and it floats back up to the top. You can make a variety of these, and I hope you have fun. Happy Valentine's Day. See you soon.